what I learned in econ is that when there is demand for a product or a service, and when the marketplace doesn't satisfy that demand, there should be an opportunity. I was playing lacrosse. There wasn't a local supplier of equipment in Champaign, Illinois. No one was satisfying that demand locally. So rather than just sit in class and take notes, I thought, why not take action? And so I started my first business in my fraternity room. I bought lacrosse equipment from the manufacturers. There wasn't a lot of technology to enable a business to grow. Majors were about the most technological advance that we had back then. So we did with what we had, and I built a business around it. But one of the things you learn when you start a business is that it's hard to get a customer. But once you get a customer, what you need to figure out is how do you sell them other products, other services? And so I was selling them lacrosse equipment, but what else could I sell them? Well, I could sell them t-shirts and hats and jerseys and other screen printed apparel.